Race car commuter life.
We're up at the daily to then still drive in a race car to work.
Makes total sense. Morning from a very sunny Nürburgring. Part 2 of the vlog, because the previous part was not that long. Forgot to film a bit more for you guys. So today is a bit more up to date, I would say. It's like Wednesday the 6th of August. Like, oh my god, it's already August. Insane. The reason I was commuting is because I left my M5 here at Vulcan because Crispy Clean has done some nice detailing on it. Because I haven't washed the car since Ultrace in Poland, like literally a month ago. Therefore it was good that it received some love and care. Oh, look at that! It's running. Yeah, we still need to show that, but my boy's commuting with a 190/230. Any other important updates? Yes, absolutely, we do. So actually, this is Lucas's new daily that is also getting lots of polishing and cleaning from Crispy Clean, thanks to Gian as well. So this car is gonna look like better than, well, not better, but as good as M5. All the 5 Series in the house. Big update, literally big. We have here alignment lift from Twinbush that we somehow gonna put over there. Because although we have a fantastic laser alignment system by NP Parts and corner weighting, which is the best you can get, but it's a bit requires a bit of time to set it up, and therefore, well, time is money. It's a bit more expensive, and it's also more for like top of the line cars, such as like really race-bred M4s, BMWs, or GT3 RSs. And for something really more common and quick, it's a bit pricey. So to give you an indication, like alignment and corner weighting with this system, as of now, it costs 800 euros. And with this, on a traditional alignment laser guided lift, would be around, give or take, 200 euros. Maybe less, maybe more. Like, don't quote me on that directly, but something that you would pay with a normal tire mounting alignment. And as a reminder, we of course also have tire mounting facilities over there. Also pull up. Actually, so second channel vlog content update. I've been suffering from sort of like, I thought it was a sciatica nerve, which runs basically from your spine and along your hip to the leg. But what I found out, I had sort of herniated disc. Not too bad. And like all kinds of exercises were not actually helping. But hanging and doing pull-ups, basically decompressing my spine, absolutely like changed my life. So I can actually walk now, I can sit. Yeah, so take care about yourself, kids. I'm now 35, turning 36 soon, and with a baby growing, I still want to like do a race with him when I'm like 55. But at this stage, like if you continue to deteriorate, you won't be able to even like go for a run with your kid when he's able to run. So that's my big motivator to pick up training again. This still standing, as well as this still standing, but soon it will be running. We're just waiting for a couple more things, but first, customer cars take priority, yes. So this has been disassembled, diagnosed, and next step is to order parts, assemble it. Maybe it's gonna be a video of its own, because, I mean, after all, YouTube really prefers all kinds of rebuilding, reassembling content. Why not? So maybe we'll do it later on. Alright, we're waiting for one more important update. And that's kind of it, I guess. Actually, there is important update. Speaking of Ultrace, remember these merch shirts that we were selling? They are now also available to be purchased here in-house at Vulcan Alpha, including Nürburgring socks and well, the gift packs, but also individual packs, because we now have also like a cash register. Yay! We're getting like a reception desk in a few weeks' time, so yeah, it's the workshop is coming together. It gives you also a reason to stop by. You can have a look at cars, but also if you want to support us, the channel and the company, you can buy merch, buy some car care products, windshield cleaner, because yeah, it's summer and bugs is quite an issue right now. So yeah, there's that. Oh, by the way, where's Mustang? Where's Mustang? Where's Mustang? You'll find out in a month's time. Ooh, goodies. Boxes. Look at this, new toys. Alright. So what do we have? Lucas, tell us more about it. You're a pro now. You've been with it for the last hour, so you know everything about it. So we can fix now every E36 in town, right?
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah. And also all the new stuff, of course, as well. This doesn't need fixing, as far as I know. Who knows? But no.
Did I broke it?
Yeah. We can try to fix the 190. No, the jokes aside, we can diagnose and fix everything. Because, for example, new cars, even when you want to flush like brakes, bleed the brakes, they require all kinds of like unlocking stuff. And yeah, it's just simply that you really need. Nice.
All car brands, like European, American car brands. European, Asia and China.
Nice.
Also heavy duty. Yeah, also motorcycles.
Very cool.
Immobilizer for key or immobilizer. Also EV software for EV cars.
Do you have Tesla?
Yes, of course, yes.
Yeah, okay.
We have also battery pack.
Uh-huh.
Let me delete it. So you can diagnose directly on the battery, stage of charge, stage of health, because if you do the diagnose over the EOBD port, you lose some values. So with this software you can go directly to the battery. We have also battery packs with different battery connectors, and then you can check also batteries.
Very cool. So we have then power supply. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want, of course, you can do also ships.
Ships?
Yes, forklifts. This one, John Deere.
Oh, very cool.
Construction. So, for example, if you build new building, some constructions are broken, so you can also diagnose.
You want to race with a forklift?
Yeah, we can do that. We can definitely do that. Awesome.
The agriculture one, it could be interesting.
Yeah. Definitely.
That's it. Also here, I will show you. We have some service functions. If you know, I have just to change the brakes or just to reset the oil. This is the service functions, so that you don't have to choose model, manufacturer, something like a build here.
Yeah, very cool.
Directly there. Also, we have here remote diagnose. We can offer the customer the OE service.
Nice.
Here are our updates. So we have downloaded everything. It was over 500 software package. Let him refresh.
Very cool.
You see, if something new, you will see it on this page.
Yeah, you'll get it.
And this is what we have already downloaded.
Nice.
Also a battery tester. Just only 2 cables without. It's working with Bluetooth.
Yeah.
So you connect just to the battery and that's it.
That's very handy.
We have TPMS devices. You can also customize your screen. So for example,
you can add some more stuff.
Yes, for example, we have here our wheel alignment. If you have other system, EV toolbox, so you can customize it.
Yeah, and then now it's added.
Yes, for
very
example,
cool.
EV toolbox, you will see HD battery diagnose, oscilloscope, EV clamp, something like
amazing.
All stuff we have also here.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Can we see what's in those boxes?
Yes, of course. On this box we have our 4-scope oscilloscope. So normally it's just 2-scope, but we have 4-scope. We connect it just directly via USB cable. The program switch it to you in the oscilloscope mode, and then you can go to the how should I say it? Go to cables and check cables and check some other stuff.
Very cool.
Fancy way to check continuity.
Yeah. When we do fancy wiring and stuff.
All these cables.
Nice.
Then we see the other boxes. I think this should be our sensor box. So you can check sensors, you can simulate sensor signals. You can simulate it. You will have fun with it if you will play.
Nice.
Also there is one extension pack for oscilloscope, but you can get it behind you.
Ah,
This one.
more boxes.
More boxes. Yeah.
We love boxes.
And this is extension.
Oh yeah,
Oh, nice.
very cool.
Clamp for UV cables.
Nice.
But of course we have also more stuff. If
Yes.
you're interested, you can visit our shop.
Yeah, of course,
website.
of course. I mean, this is something that Lucas wanted after seeing you at a fair in Berlin, or what was it?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So he said, yeah, so he said, we need this. I'm like, okay, well, if we need this, we need this.
Yeah, this is
And we actually do need this because, like I said, working on new cars is pain in the butt. You want to flush brakes, you need to like unlock it. You want to flush fluids, you need to unlock it.
yes, of course. You have also security gateway solutions for Volkswagen, Audi,
Nice.
also FCA, Fiat Chrysler, Renault, and Mercedes.
Perfect.
And of course, in the future, we will edit more.
Yeah, very cool. Awesome. Yeah, so if you have a check engine light, you know where to stop. Yeah, but if your check engine light is not working on a Volkswagen or a Honda, means your check engine light is broken. I'm allowed to make that joke because I have a Honda. All right, Lucas, let's check your daily for like faults. Perfect candidate for some diagnostics.
He's already scared, I think.
Oh,
Intelligent diagnose, so we don't have to choose the manufacturer or the model. It's scanning by VIN number, read VIN number, decode to the VIN number, and then we go directly to diagnose. Is the ignition on?
Yes.
Okay.
yes, there it is.
So
Turn the
we have
VIN.
a BMW diagnostic.
That looks like a Mercedes, not a VW.
Yeah, but this is just one picture. So if you would scan your Honda, you will also see this. Mercedes. Now you will get information about mileage and software.
Oh, we can see if it didn't like it was not rewinded the mileage.
You can see now here is the
correct.
mileage, a VIN number.
It is correct. Okay.
Left hand, construction date, also
Engine.
counting.
And 47.
And so next,
Not the best.
ignition is on.
Oof. Here it comes.
Now it's checking which ECUs are inside the car. And then we will get in our topology.
Oh.
We have a smart detection. And now it's scanning as to see how fast we can scan the whole car.
Oh, there's some red stuff. Oh no.
Green is good, red is not good.
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay. Could be worse.
So we can here check our report.
Yeah, report it.
before, and then we'll show you
Yeah.
cool stuff. Also here you have your report directly.
Yeah, that's okay.
You can scan it or send it via QR code to your customer, or also send. You can share it to the
Oh, nice.
Gmail or just email box, so you can print it directly. Also you can.
Very cool.
Also there's a lot of more stuff which we can do with this device, but I think it takes too long.
Yeah, to explain, of course.
But your car is. I saw some bad cars than this one.
So this is good. Don't worry, it's nice.
It's a BMW, it's always good.
Yeah. And it's shiny, thanks to Enrico.
BMW without full cost is not a BMW.
Yeah, that's right.
Falls du eine kleine Linse brauchst oder so.
Yeah.
Ooh. So we can look into cylinders. Oh, shall we look in my broken K24? It's actually not broken, but it might be broken. We need to take out the, what's it called? Spark plugs. But we can do it, actually.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, let's see if the K24 is gonna be good still.
Bit rich.
A bit better than the other way around, right? Ah, lamp.
Ah, das sieht
Nice. Alright. Oh, RBB.
Jetzt kann man da nicht reindrehen.
Did
Oh.
what was that? Did the valves get a bit tapped? Oh.
Ich drehe mal vorne eine raus.
I don't like that. K24 is not K24ing.
What are you trying to do? Oh,
Yeah, we were looking inside and it's not looking great.
it's not looking great.
Well, it's not looking horrible, but it's not looking great either.
Legs don't look bad.
No, but the pistons don't look fantastic either.
there's gonna be some carbon buildup. It's fine.
Yeah, that's true. No, it looks like they had a bit of a taps.
Oh, some knock.
Oh, this one looks good, actually.
This looks better than.
This one looks replaced or washed. There's some scoring in the fucking. This looks too clean. Can you see the other one?
Too much fuel.
There's a bit of.
Yeah, the other one's really. I think. Yeah.
Cannot see the.
Yeah.
No, I was thinking like
can't.
maybe. Yeah.
But we have also other video scopes where you can adjust the head.
Ah, so you can do like wide angle or something. Nice.
You can see when you drop the bolt in. You see it there.
You had that happen before?
Nope. Never.
I know some
Never
people.
happened to
Yeah, no, never. Are we charging or are we testing?
Charging.
We're charging.
Oh, dude, brand new car, full detailing, full charging.
With our travel codes now.
Yeah, wow, wow.